Hi everybody, I'm here with Jay.
Oh, and Zane.
And Zane. And Dee. And Kai.
Yeah.
We're going to rebuild this Lego City set number 60152.
And you might even find some secrets along the way.
Yeah, we're going to do this rebuild. We're going through our storage bin and trying to revitalize all of our old Lego sets.
The word?
Revitalize just means bring it back to life.
Yay!
We're going to bring it back to life so we can play with them again.
Yeah.
Okay? So watch the montage and we'll see what it looks like when we're all done.
See you at the end.
Bye. So we are done building Lego City set number 60152, and it has this really cool street sweeper. Here's a street sweeper.
Yep, and a trailer.
And it's got a trailer with this cool excavator on it.
Boom, 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 boom.
And it's got two workers, a girl worker, construction worker, and a boy construction worker. And they got tools. We had almost all the pieces. There was a few we were missing, so hopefully we can find them in the storage bin when we finished decluttering it. But this was a really fun rebuild, huh?
Yeah, and remember the secrets I told you at the beginning?
Yeah, there was a secret on this one.
There's 3 secrets.
Okay.
Okay, I only give you 5 more seconds.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Mom's already showing one of them on the back. It's the license plate. And also there's one on the crane and there's one on the license plate right here. So if you've seen all of those, congratulations.
It's a little blurry, sorry.
If you want to tell us if you won, like and subscribe.
So what that is it's like the number for the vehicles, but it's also the Lego set number 60152. So it's on this excavator, it's on the license plate, it says LF60152. It's on the truck, it's on its license plate. So that was kind of neat, we thought.
Yes. Goodbye.
And just make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And we're going to finish doing the rest of our storage bin rebuilds. And maybe you have one of the same Lego sets we do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can share with you guys. All right, have a good one.
Tacos.